good boy. Ah, David, take him. Oh, this is my favorite part. Are we together? Anyway. Ah, when Huagara you go?
This is Buma Richard. I am making the talk.
Obama in damage.
Obama in damage.
Piece. You piece of cigarette. Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my videos. Today I've made this chalk and I'm very happy they have come out when they are all standing straight forward. By the way, if you are my follower and you have not managed to subscribe, I don't know what you are waiting for. Kindly first hit like, subscribe before we continue. I want to tell you how profitable school chalk business is. Of course, if you have your only 320,000, you can start school chalk production with our starters kit available at our office. Kindly feel free to contact me always for help, because I'm always available to help my starters. So these are 400 pieces, and they have used the 400 gunmetal machine to produce this chalk. Of course, our machines are always on sale. Even if you see me doing my chalk using any machine and you tell me that you're interested in the machine, I will just give it to you right away. Own a brand in the market by entering into school chalk production, because it is profitable. As I told you, there is 100% profitability on school chalk production. Production cost for each bag of 150 pieces is only 1,500 Uganda shillings. And you know how much school chalk costs in your area. Of course, some of you sell school chalk at 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 respectively. So you can make 100% profitability from doing a chalk business. So we are here doing the job, so you can join us in this business and enjoy profitability, grow your income, and of course be happy with what you do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Please feel free to contact me for guidance, machines, and everything that you need to start this business. Hey ladies and gentlemen, as you are all aware that we commenced our school chalk production business and training. This is currently our production. Huh? Zikiri como zingine. They drinking official. Bekan na sana wala itine tawanos. Oh, zdal kira ko otim. Was this querer? Good job, good boy. Ah, David, take him. Oh, this is my favorite part. Are we together? I want to talk about this one. This is my favorite part. Are we together? Mazole ki de kado sta ni ninja kuste kalto kusta baram. Mazole una ni da kustera kasan ta kastina kasan mazole. Nazareth.
Tunamsikia gutie.
Okay.